Hello and welcome everyone to a new video in your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. So in today's video, I will show you how to see your Netflix viewing history or your watch history. So to do that, you just need to open your Netflix account in the web browser, not in the application. I repeat, in the web browser, you open your account as you can see. Because when you open your account on the application, you can't see the three lines on the top left of the screen. So, first of all, you open netflix.com on your web browser, and after that, you click on the three lines on the top, like left of the screen, like that. And after that, you click on account. After clicking on account, you just need to scroll down until you find profile and parental controls. You just click on the profiles that you want to see the watch history. You click on the arrow and you just need to search or look for viewing activity, and click on view. And as you can see here, I can see all my watch history or viewing activity from my Netflix profile. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to like this video, and see you in the next one.